Hello, Mr. Hanlon. Okay, I have your 7002 here. This is a super nice watch. The watch head is all original. It's original to itself. Beautiful, beautiful lume. Look at the perfect handset. You've got some scratches on your crystal, but the watch is clearly original. Insert is clearly original. It's correct for the watch, and it's got some marks. But in person, you don't see the marks as much as you're seeing them here. It looks, at first glance, when you're first looking at it in person, you don't really notice those as much. I'm mostly overwhelmed because of the gorgeousness of the lume. Like, you'll notice, the dial lume hasn't even turned like super gray. This stuff is Promethium 3, and it tends to turn gray. The handset is just immaculate. It's perfect. Almost identical to the 6309 handset. It's just how they were stamped. They were put together in reverse. So you can see that the angle of the hour hand there, see how they're angled down like this? In a 6309, they stamped the hands the other way, and so the angle of the hands metal went in instead of out. Other than that, they're the same. The sweep hand is exactly the same. You can see that flat metal around the edge there. The only thing really different is the lume. Strong clicky clicks all the way around. It's unusual actually for a the JDM versions typically have this bright white lume. It's interesting to see something similar on the North American, or the non-JDM model, I should say. Cannon pinion feels okay. Clicks over. God, look at the perfect metal on the hands. I'm sorry, I'm still just like, wow. It's rare to see these in this condition because so many of these were beaten to death and so many more were modded. To find one that's, all original like this just doesn't happen very often. I took the liberty of pre-loosening the case back, so I didn't have to haul on it, but I will tell you it did not want to open. I had to really haul on it, put it in the vise and everything. But it's always fun to look at these movements. Seiko Time Corp, Hong Kong, no servicing marks on the inside. These are great movements. Seiko Time Corp, 17 joules. It needs cleaning. You can see there's some old oil and grease that got here on this ratchet wheel. And that just needs to be cleaned up. But the metal it's like a new penny. Yeah, and look at the balance take off. I mean, it's barely running because there's almost no power, but these are just really great movements. They take servicing so well. They're all metal and fully jeweled. They're a great movement. Great movement family. There's a reason that Seiko still uses this movement family today. Modern version of it. Your case back sticker was, I'm sorry, your case back gasket was pretty flat. I don't know, not much else to say. It's a nice watch. It needs service, I'm sure. Got to check out the gaskets. But that's, I think, pretty straightforward. I don't think that there's any other weird twists and turns in here that I'm going to need to get into. Wait, it was 2 spots in. super nice watch. I'd say it's going to be very straightforward. Service, seals, and if you'd like a crystal, you've got good clarity on this crystal, but we do have new ones that are made only for us that we put in, and they can do that if you just let me know. And that's about it. Thank you so much.